Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I hope you're good today. Today, the subject is limiting beliefs that we hold about ourselves. What do we do about those pesky things? I know I have some of my own, and I'm sure you do too, that maybe you don't even know you have. First step towards changing limiting beliefs about yourself is to identify them. Maybe you tell yourself that you're lazy. That's not necessarily true. Maybe you're hurting. Maybe there's something going on with you health-wise that you need to address first. And that's what's causing you to feel exhausted. I was listening to Dr. Berg today, and he has a lot to say about that. I don't know if you guys are familiar. I know a lot of people are. He has millions of watchers on YouTube, and he's right about a lot of things. So I think that there are limiting beliefs we have about ourselves that we need to get rid of. So when we can identify what they are, first step. Second step is to ask yourself, is this belief useful to me? Me telling myself that every day, is it going to help me? Probably not. It might even be true, whatever you're telling yourself. But that does not matter. What does matter is it useful? Is it useful for me to tell myself every day that I am blah, 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 whatever that negative thing is, that I'm overweight, that I'm lazy, that I'm unreliable, blah, any of those things. I was going to say blah, blah, blah again. I don't want to do that. Anyways, so then we need to tell ourselves the opposite. And we might not believe it at first, but we need to just repeat it to ourselves over and over again until it gets down deep and we start to say, you know, that's true. I am beautiful. I am responsible. I can do this. I am capable of doing this. And get through to that point where you start to believe that instead of the other thing. So simple. That's all I'm going to talk about today. Just a very simple little thing. Limiting beliefs. We need to get rid of them. We need to dig them out and tell ourselves, that's not useful. I'm not going to tell myself that anymore because it's not going to help me. What is going to help me is to tell myself something nice. You know, when somebody tells you, hey, you look great today. You look beautiful. Don't you, even if you know, at that moment, you feel beautiful. You're like, hey, yeah, wow, really? Thanks. So why don't you tell yourself that? Tell yourself you look beautiful. Tell yourself you're very capable. You're smart. You're inventive. You're creative. I am the great I am. Say those I ams to you. Even when you don't quite believe them, just do it anyway. Pretty soon you'll start to believe that stuff. Okay? So ask yourself, is this thought useful? Maybe not. If it's not, reject it. Say, I'm going to reject that thought and I'm going to move on to another one that's more useful to me. So I hope you have a useful thinking day, and I will see you next time on the morning shift with me, Ann. Have a great day.